Hi everyone, what is wrong with Surya Kumar Yadav? I mean, seriously, the India's T20 international skipper, whose appointment was so-called finalized by Gautam Gambhir or Rohit Sharma and all these things, he's not scoring runs, not at all. I mean, only 90 odd runs in 10 innings. No. It would sound very harsh, but it seems like Surya Kumar Yadav is just a token captain. Everyone will say he scored 47 runs against Pakistan in the league stage and everything. Okay, 47 runs. Then what about next 50 runs in 9 innings? No. And let me tell about all of you that he scored 47 runs against Pakistan in that game. But before that, Abhishek Sharma and Shubman Gill did all the hard work. He just had to get India to the finishing line. Surya Kumar Yadav is very much happy even if he is not scoring runs, because no matter what happens, his place in the playing 11 is fixed because of Gautam Gambhir. It's quite crystal clear because Gautam Gambhir wants Surya Kumar Yadav, not Hardik Pandya as a keeper. It's quite an internal thing.